You're filming me. Oh, it's not film though. It's tape. Oh, I don't see anything in it because it's not on. All right. Don, we now are gay apparel. I didn't even know Don was gay. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I don't know. Was that right? Don, we now are gay apparel. I didn't know Don was gay. Not that there's anything wrong. Calvin Coolidge was gay. Mix and a mingle in the jingling feet like Fred Astaire. Oh, he's like or like one of the modern dancers like Gene Kelly. So stupid. And folks dressed up like Eskimos. Oh, like Eskimos and everything with the big heavy garments and the igloos. And they kiss on each other's noses. Oh. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. What is figgy? Oh, getting figgy with it. Oh, he's getting figgy with it with the pudding. Oh, pudding means something else, doesn't it? She didn't see me creep down the stairs to have a peep. Oh, it's the Chris Boyer song. That's what it must be. And pretend that he's a circus clown. And pretend that he's a circus clown. You think I'm a clown? Do I amuse you? What do you think I'm saying and it's so funny? What am I funny? Think I'm funny? Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy and cozy we are. Yeah. We're drunk. That's the red cheeks. It's not cold. We're drunk. Is there spittle in my face right now? Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. And when we found her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, she had hoof prints on her forehead. Ooh. Wait a minute. I'll try that one again. When we found her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, she had hoof prints on her forehead. Ooh, those reindeer. Those reindeer can curb stomp you. Ooh.